How to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to fix the issue, first of all, you need to know that your Telegram app is up to date. If not, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. When you're on the Play Store, tap the search icon at bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type in Telegram. Here on the section when you open Telegram, you must see update button if your app is not up to date. If you find the update button, tap on it and update it to the latest version. The next step you need to follow is simply you need to open or tap and hold Telegram application and tap the I button in order to access the app info page of Telegram. Scroll down, tap storage uses and then tap Clear Cache. Here, select Manage the Speech at top of the screen, and after a while, you need to clear all the cache of Telegram. Come back to the same app info section of Telegram. Now select Battery Uses. Tap Force Stop and force stop the application for a while. Make sure that your internet is stable. Sometimes the poor internet connection will also create the issue of Telegram downloaded files not showing on your device. So simply, if your Wi-Fi connection is not working well, you need to switch to mobile data and download the different kinds of files from Telegram. After following this all this step, your Telegram downloaded files not showing from Telegram will be fixed. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.